say Kennedy, any John Dramani Mahama, or more race, then Kennedy will have this audacity every day be spitting all this nonsense.
Ebusian for ha Ghana 70 VGH, mestre or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for 5 minutes, Kennedy Japan.
Again, Charlie, you know me, my standard. Me, you know, I feel like Sir Oshe Honorable Kenna, I think Nkrofwa or no more a contest no. According to say attack no is only on Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia. And Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia the kind of person no, to me, I believe it's not everybody. To me, no, I think say the humbleness is becoming too much. No matter how humble you are, once in a while you have to give it to them. When you look at Abronye DC, a queen or Faswa or stand up to Ken, no, say Anka, sometimes they give it to him like that here and there, Anka Ken, or Bejokakra. Because now let me ask you, politician, Bawumia ultimately ko share delegates, now we din komo. But sometimes, you know, NPP people or the delegates might love you, but the message out there, no, is different. And this is the time where you need to be clearing some things once in a while, so people can build on it. After you win, people can build on it. Now, no can echo UTV or Kodin Komo. Okay, say Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia, I don't even think he exists. If he exists, Medibone, that were his words. Now Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia, Adichi Brian Champo ako, onoso ako Kennedy, asa ako radio baku mienu ako Kennedy. The following day, Natasha ako. Look at even when Natasha went to the radio, you can see say a false Kennedy, the spokesperson and now whoever came out to clarify certain things. Now me bisa o baby Bawumia na radio and na TV ni o. And now Bawumia does it not have tie obetima ko share nkrofo mu delegates mu be di nkomo ba nkomo no most of it ebeka ho. But bra radio na so be bie wano answer because there is something between Ken and Bawumia. There is something there. Bawumia knows, Ken knows, but Bawumia don't want to open up. Because he's trying to be that gentleman, but the gentleness is becoming too much. Yaro zongo pa nordina mafia. Ena oti wa ye mafia left and right, sir. No. Listen, we are talking about politics. Sister, Okasari etie otie mi. Okasano mi tie. Sister oho, Okasano na mi tie. Okasano na mi tie osu tie mi.
Kuriyenko.
Tie. And then politics and yes, Sabia, Nekopege also Kopege. Politics is a dirty game. And now we share the world, we are saying Kasano. Uncrofa Mudia Mamachi, nobody is that cool. When a man, John, your friend is a Nanado, any Bawumia, your friend is a Edibena, Jack Toronto, when a mama. And your mama, His Excellency.
When
a man unanimous 11, and your mama.
Yeah.
When I did your friend is saying, Achimafia, Brian, and your Mahama. Do you think, say, enough and say Kennedy, any John Dramani Mahama, or more race, then Kennedy will have this audacity every day be spitting all this nonsense, and John Dramani Mahama will be there watching him? John Mama is a gentleman, but he will give it to him. In common one of the best shame. Mikael Jerry John Rollins, Krampo, Jerry John Rollins, and Mira Omoko, then now was one of the lovers of NDC. Omoko, your friend is a Sunyai Congress, now was there. Tingalinga, Ebaye. John Dramani Mahama be cancel, e bube, e chere Jerry. And Jerry so sorry of a cancer a bube reply Mahama. Who give Jerry Rollins the late Volta dog? Because otifie moi natambia o sorry na se o popo na obi aye dia I say krom no and I fear on won kwa oni bema Nkrofo ye wo chiri aye kasa na de Ken on fa nye hwe. But se Bawumia sorry gina ne nye se okodi na atem ba nsa bi wo ho a oti a wo se wo mbra be yira no.
Okay.
Na neno mami conclude neno you just wake up and talk anything shit about Putin there da ho and Kim Jong-un and I say bia Donald Trump and I say who even your friend Burkina Faso on fan chow
Traore.
you want fan chow you see mami chiro bibi otie wi ase ana oti nipa mu na bibia ye de be foro oti wo ye sometimes no o silence na kwete say ye no kre Ofa Kennedy, Oko a China so share Kennedy videos be pray. Ayedeben o prezi Bawumia. Ofa champion o prezi Bawumia. Today what change? Bawumia sometimes give yourself a chance. Go to the journalists, those that criticize you more. Let them ask you question. Then Obeka amana Tony Pedrimu because I know the whole Ghana Oka and Bia say Bawumia was say economy no or no $1 ni say. On kasa economy ni bio, give yourself a chance. Me see 2016. The reason why the lady in America, your friend is saying, Hillary lost to Donald Trump was because she was not giving herself so they can ask her a question. And the Emra, your friend is saying FBI say almost evidence bia yedi Hillary besa court no asa na papa we afa. Baby, I'll be Fabia, 1 or 2 vote to Krampuna, consistent vote, no, na oko jail, ye got 2 abano, 1 year popular vote, ye ba we lose.
Yeah.
I was a woman who chance because in Sembi Dani Pano, Manichro, Ghana Fanoaho, and Africa, ye I dream on most of the time, now quite to say magnet. Ye the clip, ye the story clippy, asa, oh, yeah, we shall be paper, and ye that. NPP didn't lose 2024 election because they didn't do well. They lost because they allowed NDC to carry the propaganda machine like drones and fly everywhere.
Okay, Medase Kudi. Thank you. I will wait first topic. Mesamba biom. Ebusianfo before we Dr. Bawumia will come in. No, mama 1 minute. Na membo just 1 minute from.
Your best friend say
1 minute. I may bo Ken asema Ken kai ba odi so umpire kasa.
Me papa, but be an army patient to be free. No
problem. 5 minutes, young.
Okay, me church, Mama, I am more fishy. I promise this away. Hey, Sabina, who voice I hear was sister when me cry. Wow. And then some of her people, I am sure.
Some of her people are happy.
Yamin Shramuna. Me person me can't send me what my in United. I say, Minia now, Casa Siciano, eh? You run Dr. Bawumia. Na ni munyam any say the Yankupon si born no. A different no. I'm someone study Dr. Bawumia. They don't see him. Dr. Bawumia is not an ordinary person. Onye onipa bia keke. Na ni dina waye no, ni kom na waye no. And they come to Kwabia Manamana be dim kunim, but you people don't know. You people don't know. Na say, yes, who shall dry, and I said, but then me, you begin to manage essentially. Will you come out with your nakedness? The answer is no. Woman, you know, I am fucking at the Jabon said, Wabodam. That is how I see him. He's a mad person. Onye normal because or abnormal because to me no he's not normal. Ose obi a wabodam na eye me fere ma wo mo di na chi no. I feel so ashamed for them. Sometimes say only nipa we na nam dia then you have a long way to go because Kennedy is or you ni guasie ni e de ma NPP party ni mpo. Ni hu ye ni guasie na mommy nyina ye ntena se ne yenhwe na after 31st no e na ye nyina ye be hu Dr. Bawumia enkunim dia Nyankopon e de bema no franka nyame de be hye nsa ama na kwaji tumi ama 2028. I prefer for him to be silent because Nyankopon kra no wo ye keka mfa wo nya ade on allow Emma on me dear any would die because you're the idea show sa what they will kick a canoe or come a born in the best end. Tikane de Japan, well, who say the delegates have shown him say he lost already. In Kugo, dear, that is why he's behaving that way. By a per se, catching the man, the TSA say, who pay to travel any poor margin in your pa, Dr. Bawumia, a crew no free. To say if he's ready to fight them, dear, any one not dream or feel so free seminar or do one who buy our battle, one more sorry against you. Because Uncle Fono, they will never sell their brother to you for you to destroy him. Never. They are not going to do that. I was second this had any shana dream. Preocupe. Seni param nene kuna mi dina temso ye teni and tafo ye say no. Santa fona na ebo me ho ba omo so na me ko frɛ omo so me say ade ma me no. So, dwene ho mienu. No ma be sori etia wo. Ekunim die ne de obi a wo ha wo Dr. Bawumia na wo do NPP na wo do Ghana na jitu say inshallah on the 1st of February no we will come here and him our white handkerchief ye be him ni say ya we wave it ni ya bonyoma sa e won kunim die mu to obi aka na come to ne medam ase.
Amen. Wow, excellent one from Winnie with Dr. Bawumia. Before Mama Pounds comes in, we will for 1 minute. Let's hear in Sema on our work in Japan. Kai Indra, ewo asokwa honum no. Enti.
Also, 50 macho men for every constituency. I have the voice. We will meet you boot for boot. We will meet them boot for boot. 50 macho men. Omunya's resort. Omu say omu tu abane finjima. Omba lusu. And to omu the macho men. I'm going to play the voice for everybody to see and hear. Ademboni ewu omu team. Omu ni omu si Canada Japan. Ene pen toka. Men pen toka. Me fairness. Yama kuya enye juma. Over for 50 men. That day they will be sorry. I swear to God. That day they will be sorry in Asante region. Yes, yes, Madam, we ni pache. Apa be jina ha wo kana se wodidi obi atem. O support obi a support obi. Obi so to so. Choboy. Ye party baako.
Saya ye party baako no oka sem no wie ye no. Ena ye friend say na ye friend e wo chi o ka che papa asem o ka no say campaign no. That's why he came back and say Choboy, party back. Mama Pounds, good evening, 5 minutes.
Wait. Bodemini,
oh,
wait.
Sebi, abotre.
Men to Sebi, wait. Most doctor nene nkoko, wait. Will be our bottom, wait. Most doctor nene nkoko. Doctor onene nko. Doctor omfino. Yen beku amano, yen yebeka sa amano. Wait. Me de me bremu obiao. Me bremu party leadership. Party leadership na me bremu womu from day one. Because omu na ama this man, papa we. Oma mano enya atabai. Ena wodi muasem. Sa papa we ya na dwene nyewe ya yi na dwene fa. Ato atwene no. Enti kanwa na ese de akom atiesi ni so. And one nam no wo twanenum mummusa no se omo company kura ba miensa company miensa a wono a woso wabie so obetnya company bi kura ka akyerewa oma FM egu ye kura che na me ya akoda oma FM egu ye kura che na me ya akoda wo bia e de egu ya che mummusa Canada Japan se me se ni company wo mo miensa. So obeti mi abo akere wa we enipa we se ma na me president obi a wo so obetua tax obi a wo so obetua tax a wono a wonim se wo ba no ye the taxpayers money e na e ba behwe no wonim se omman chechire ye e de na ye de ye wo ba UK ha se ya e de na wo mu ni gold wo mu ni timber woman ni bibiara ade omo de chichire wo meye tax na obi a wo so wo ba be president ye di would continue to national television so say wo kas wo company ya beje wo tax if wo be chase enipa we enipa akasa a wonwene ho says MPP leadership is serious and kasada na akran ko mo disqualify sa papa we e kire se chese wono akran no onimu nea oye wonimu nea oka wate se nkrofo ye no okeke bi ekeke abro Kennedy Japan abro na se nyame agu nanimu ase wunhui nyame agu nanimu ase hwede na ya ase aye hwede Kennedy Japan wono wo hwa ahwetwem menye hwe so ahwetwem the way o time amane si time ayi doctor ntino onya adaje kura enhwe ni nipadua hwede ni nipadua hwete ne wasi asori ni dua so aye ena na ogina ho so ogina so de se wo bom pa yo so ye de Ghana ho de se de bia me ka se sofo papa bia ni ho ena Kristo ni papa bia ni ho because enka eni sofo papa bi wo anka Kennedy Japan ti bi megina ho enke kansem hunu nkyeremo na nne obi eto so wo hyenkoma ma Kennedy Japan enipa we senye se asem na atiesi MPP mu a wono kura nyadaje akofa form se oba be pre MPP presidential akrachefo party say enipa papa party say enne Kennedy Japan so akofa forms se oba be pilibi mimbremu no mi se leadership na mi bremu wo mu a because senka Kennedy Japan no engoma disqualify ne da eti wonam ya wo keka nsemu won huni etro otu wo body same se no yi asem nekuta no ensema won huni ye ene na Kennedy Japan woka wo body same no yi asem se nekura no wasene daya eye 200 hwani ya working eso ne workers ne krom gu ama FM no ebinumu nya baabi ntino ebinumu nya baabi ntina enipa we so obebie company wono se ya jejejejeje MP seat wo backyard central region na MPP seat say na central region say aka MPP seat say wono akra woni base me se na ni hu asem o na dwene nye se the boys ne ka no wabodam enti obi a wabodam de woni ani wo eno asa asem no akogina ho eno atese nkrofo keka eno no anu akokeka bi enti boys ne de so mu no ekom de wo mu nti wo ba no mu ye we ya wo sa be ya announcement se ene 4 o'clock ebi be ko because NDC for no woman atna dem hu say no Ken na betimi ayi wo mu dirty work na mo say do ye ma wo mu 2024 no eti say no ni sika nyina se matese so ye de ama no enti wonje no mfa bi nkwachiche eti we wo frɛ wo mu a wo mu bɛkɔ but mi nim say delegates ni de wo mu ni mu ne ye womuni baby ombeto ma baako womuni dia ya do mo peso mu gu party no mo delegate no mo nya ready so be gu party no womuni mu dia ye enti womu jeji ni sika no ne contract na yesesa ma no na wono nko apese minkuminya enu nti no a what time doctor said 10 appointment na wode ba no enu nti no oyes no because sa na du furu pe no contract no ne appointment enyo no na se ministers na appointee wo mu ni nyina ni fie ne ye no sa ayi ni so be mu sa tan appointment ne be mu yenkoye ayi ni wo ni fie
Boss, speak somebody, I'll be right back.
All right.
yenkoye ayi ni wo ni fie biem enu ntini sa na huna ne na ayi na oye ni nyina no wonya kwan nye biem enu nti na adane no wo tan ne ahoye a wo tan ama na bodam wo tan ama na bodam